How to find and use the Google Authenticator setup key. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are finding the setup key but you cannot scan the QR code for two-factor authentication, you can view the setup key on the website you are trying to secure. For example, if you are trying it for the Google's TFA, you can go to your Google account's TFA settings. After that, you should see an option of Setup Authenticator. If we are scanning the QR code but it is not possible, there should be an option of cannot scan it. Tap on it and then it will open another page which will reveal the setup key. Next up, you can go to the setup key in Google Authenticator, open it on the device and unlock. After that, enter the plus icon which is on the bottom right. Enter a setup key and then enter the account name. Next up, type or paste in the setup key that you have received before and tap on add. Next, you can return to your Gmail or any other relevant platform and enter the code generated by Google Authenticator to complete the TFA setup. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.